Hello students, welcome back to my channel. And in this video actually will I am explaining class 8 science chapter force and pressure. Okay, so let's start to explain it. So here are the definition of force is a push or a pull on an object is called a force. Here are, as you are showing watching here, different type of forces. जैसे friction force, whenever you do skating, तो your skates are applied force on the road. ठीक है, तो in between road and skating wheels there is a one force exists. It is the frictional force. Without frictional force your skates cannot be moved easily. It will be slip, है ना. अगर जब तक फ्रिक्शन नहीं होगा तो नहीं तो आपके शूज स्लिप होंगे. हम लोग जब whenever we walk on the road or anywhere, whenever the car is moving on the road, so here is a frictional force applied in between the tire of the car or the road. Or whenever we are walking on the road, there will be the frictional force in between the shoes of the sole of the shoes and the road. So next is the gravity. As you have already know the Newton's law gravitational force, है ना. तो gravitational, whenever you throw any ball or any fruit or anything upward direction, it come back to the downside because of the gravitational force. Here is the on our earth there is a gravity. Because of this gravitational attraction force, the anything will come back to the earth. Okay, next is the magnetic force. So as we have known that in our previous class, you have I thought you, I hope you all have studied about the magnets. There are the two poles, north pole and the south pole. So whenever we attract one south pole of one magnet and another is north pole of the, so it will be the attract to each other. And if the same pole will come contact to each other, it will be the repel to each other. So this force because happened because of the magnetic force. Okay, next is the applied force. So suppose one cart is standing on the road. So the if you want to move it, so you have to apply the force, you have to push it, then it will be move, है ना. Whenever a toy car, if anyone is playing, any child is playing with the toy car, so the child have to apply the push force on the toy car, then it will be moved na upward forward direction. So it is the applied force. Okay, or beyond force, it will be go upside down. Tension force. Tension माने जब whenever the force applied both side equally, तो no one will be, both are stretching to each other, है ना. एक साइड से if there is a one force more, एक साइड ज्यादा फोर्स है एक साइड कम फोर्स है, तो it will all one side students go their side, एक one side. But if there is the two, दोनों साइड बराबर का फोर्स लग रहा है, तो they will be not pull to each other, है ना. तो इट इज द टेंशन फोर्स. ड्रैगिंग फोर्स, स्प्रिंग फोर्स, यानी कि एक स्प्रिंग होती है, जैसे कि आपने एक पेन देखी होगी, स्प्रिंग वाली टिकटॉक वाली पेन्स आती है, उसमें स्प्रिंग लगी रहती है. तो स्प्रिंग, तो वेन एवर यू टिक press the upside of it pen, this pen, the nib of the pen will come out. It is the spring force. So here in this slide we have studied about the different type of forces. Okay, so in our next slide there are, you are watching here two pictures. One is the pushing, a car being pushed by a man, or second is the a farmer is pulling a cow, है ना. तो देयर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स, एक तो पुशिंग फोर्स एंड द पुलिंग फोर्स. तो आई होप यू आर गेटिंग अंडरस्टूड अबाउट दिस पिक्चर्स. नेक्स्ट इज द if force can change the state of the motion, है ना. तो a change in either the speed of an object or its direction of motion or both is described as the change. देखो, whenever the force apply anything, यानी whenever you push anything या pull anything, तो its condition become change ना. If the cow is standing at one place, and if one person is pull the cow, तो its condition will change, है ना. It will be move, the cow will come in motion, है ना. तो this condition is the change, because of force it change the state of the motion, है ना. ऐसे ही the speed of anything, जैसे कि कोई कार है, one car is standing, या one cart is standing and it is not moving, and when anyone push it, so it will be move on, and whenever you push it with more power, so its speed will be increase, है ना. तो this is also the condition of the cart become change because of the force. तो thus force may bring a change in the state of an object. Okay, the state of motion, क्या होता है state of motion? The state of motion of an object is described by its speed or direction of speed. ठीक है. द स्टेट ऑफ मोशन क्या होता है? इट्स डिस्क्राइब बाय इट्स स्पीड, यानी कि इट इज स्लो, इट इज मूविंग ऑन स्लो, इट इज मूविंग ऑन फास्ट, और इट इज स्टैंडिंग एनी प्लेस, है ना. और इट्स डायरेक्शन मीन्स ए बुल कार्ट इज गोइंग, ठीक है. तो when the direction of its cart become decided by the cart rider, है ना. The state of rest is considered to be the state of zero speed. अगर कोई कार, if any car or any 4 vehicle 2 vehicle is in state condition, यानी कि रुकी हुई है, state है, तो its speed is zero. There is no any state of motion in it, है ना. But when you start it, when you apply force on it, then its motion become state motion, यानी कि इसकी स्टेट बिकम चेंज, है ना. तो एन ऑब्जेक्ट मे बी एट रेस्टिंग कंडीशन, यानी कि जीरो स्टेट कंडीशन, इन मोशन और इन बोथ मीन्स इन स्टेट और मोशन बोथ कंडीशन. ठीक है. फोर्स कैन चेंज इन शेप ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट. What happened when you applied a force on an inflated balloon by pressing it between your palm, है ना. You take one balloon in between your palm and you press it both with your both hand. You have seen that its shape become change na. So the force also can change its shape. Next is the what happened to the shape of a ball of dough. जैसे your mother make a dough and you take one ball of this dough and you can change its shape according to your role. और ये चपाती बनाते हैं whenever your mother making चपाती, तो its shape become change ना. तो because of force rolling with the help of rolling pin. As like force can change the shape of an object. What happened when you press a rubber ball placed on the table, its shape also change, है ना. In all these example you show that the application of force on an object may change its shape. यानी कि your application of force on any object, its shape become change. Okay. So here are the types of sources in this slide we will discuss. One is the contact force and second is the non contact force. ठीक है. तो व्हाट इज द कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स? कौन से होते हैं? 2 टाइप्स के होते हैं. एक तो मस्कुलर फोर्स होता है, एक फ्रिक्शन होता है. फ्रिक्शन का बताया था कि व्हेन एनी car is moving on the road, so here will be the friction in between the road or the car. When you are walking on the road, so here will be the friction in between your sole of your shoes और road, है ना. एंड मस्कुलर फोर्स क्या हो गया, पुशिंग पुलिंग बोथ आर द मस्कुलर फोर्स एग्जाम्पल. क्योंकि मस्कुलर फोर्स में क्या यूज होती है, आपकी मसल्स यूज हो रही है. टू अप्लाई एनी फोर्स देयर इज यूजिंग देयर एनी वन विल यूज इट्स मसल, है ना. नेक्स्ट नॉन कॉन्टैक्ट फोर्स कौन कौन से होते हैं, एक तो मैग्नेटिक फोर्स, इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स एंड ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. बिकॉज देयर इज नो एनी कॉन्टैक्ट इन बिटवीन अ पर्सन, एनी इंडिविजुअल. हियर इज द it become magnetic force because of magnet, and gravitational force become because of gravity of the earth, है ना. So last is the pressure. A force applied on a unit of area is called a pressure. The definition of pressure is the force applied of a unit of area. यानी कि टोटल कोई सरफेस है, उसके पर्टिकुलर एक यूनिट ऑफ एरिया पर जो फोर्स अप्लाई होता है उसे क्या बोलते हैं, प्रेशर. तो प्रेशर का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है, प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू फोर्स अपॉन एन एरिया ऑन विच इट एक्ट्स. मतलब पर्टिकुलर एरिया वेयर द फोर्स इज अप्लाइड इज कॉल्ड द प्रेशर. यानी कि फोर्स अपॉन द पर्टिकुलर एरिया वेयर द फोर्स एक्ट. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and